to my channel Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So in today's video, we are going to see March Sephora Play subscription box review. So I will show you what I got in my box, whether I like it or not, whether it was an okay box or an awesome box. So let's see what I got in my box. I got Maison Margiela perfume. I absolutely love it. So this is a thumbs up. I got Sephora Lash Mascara. I'm not too much into it because I already got it from them. So this is a down for me. One up and one down. Quay Wave Spray. I again got it from them. So I'm not too much into it. So down for me. NARS lipstick. I already got this lipstick, so not into it really, so down again. CC Pair moisturizer. I don't know what is this, so I'm not too much into it, so again down. Shiseido sunscreen lotion. This one I would like to use it, so this is an up for me. So 4 products down and 2 up. This is not an okay box also for me. I'm really disappointed with Sephora right now. I don't know if I want to continue it. If you subscribe to Sephora, let me know in the comment section what you got from them and whether you like it or not. I'm really kind of disappointed this month. So let's see what I get next month and what I decide next month. Bye for now, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos.